Hello, my name is Hojai, and I'm going to show you our group's prototype for our IMP assignment 3. And our product is about a learning application, and its name is Studivate, which stands for the combination of the word of study and motivate. And this is our starting page, and we have a greetings for user and a motivational quote. And we can start to go to the home page. Home page, we have a calendar, notifications, and tasks. This is just a quick view. The notification and tasks, just a quick view. And then you can click the notification will show the most recent 30 messages or notifications. And the task will show all the incomplete tasks of user. Like you arrange in order of the due date. Like the most urgent task will be on top. And then you can go for the detail, like the button here, notification. You can go to the notification page to show to see all the notifications available. You go back to home. The task, you can also click on the button to go to the task detail, and then you can choose what task you want to see. And then here have the task detail overview, and then the days it required to complete the task. This is just a recommended estimated, and the steps, and the start date, due date, and the remaining days until the due date of the task. And the progression percentage is calculated based on the steps, based on the steps that you completed and the total number of steps available. We'll come back to this. And the calendar here, we have the feature like, our idea is a feature that we can sync with the learning platform like Brightspace for Neon, and then to automatically like sync all the tasks into this application so that the user don't need to manually input all the features. And for example, in this calendar, we can see that the yellow one is the current day. We can click on it and see what the tasks are available. You can directly click on the task, and then you can directly go to the task detail. And then you can also like add the task manually. But I think the sync with the Brightspace one is definitely more efficient. And next we have notification, friends. We have friend list, and then invitation, free invitation, float user, and then add friends. The friend list, you can choose a friend, and then you can click on the message button and just directly go to the message page. Then you can chat with them. And for this chat, for this message feature, we give some alert, because this is a study platform, right? Study application. So we don't want the user to always like chat with friends. So we have a feature that if you're using the message feature for 30 minutes, this it will show the alert pop out like this. So you can just alert you that you are using the messaging feature for 30 minutes already. Maybe it's time to continue on your task. So you can either ignore or just got it. They will like just disappear. So just notifications. And go back. And next we have, we can also go to message here. From here, message, click on the user. Yeah, the same thing. And then we have note sharing. And then note sharing is just sharing notes with all your friends, and then you can search for the notes, and then you can add notes. And then for task, this is a task page, and then you see all the incomplete and completed tasks. Select it, and just now I explained already, right? This page, and then we can click on continue, and then we'll go to the task detail, task page. And in this page, we show the number of people that already completed the task like this. You can click on the trophy icon here to go to the ranking, and you can see who had done it. And you can always click on the profile, and then you can check on the people, and then you can give them a like or add them as friend, anything you like. And you can also see their task. What's their progression of the task? Yeah. And their title and achievement is available. And the task is because some people don't want others to know their progression, right? So actually this can be turned off in setting. So it won't be available to other people. And then also go to the overall. The computer task, this ranking is like is ranked based on the total number of tasks that the user completed, like overall. And like the user that are being on the rank will be given bonus point. The bonus point is given for top 50 user. The bonus point are all shown here. And then this ranking will be refreshed every day, and the bonus point will be given every first of month. And then return to this task. After you complete this task, you also get a reward point of 50 here, showing the bottom left. And your progression is 22. Click on continue, you can go to the where you left earlier. The same thing, you can click on this to see all the days, break days. Incomplete is red icon, completed is green icon. Yeah, that's all. And then for every day we also have a day brief, and then for every steps we have step brief, and we also include some reference if available, some reference if any. And then timer is based on the timer is based on the total number here. The timer is based on the, for example, this like today, for example, today is 15 September, and the start date of this assignment is 10 September, and due date is 25 September. So the timer is like the days that already passed, starting from the start date of the task, and the days until when the due date is. And the points is you can, after you earn the point, you can go to the point shop to exchange for various things. Later I'll show you. And the Q button is the motivational quote. You can either click on it to show the quote, or you can use the shortcut key, which is shift key plus the single quote. It will also show. And I think that's all for the task. And then next we can have shortcuts. Yeah, just now I say that the motivational quote shortcut is shift key plus single quote. Yeah. And then we have the motivational quotes. Yeah. This is all the available motivational quotes, list of motivational quotes available. Like every time when you access this motivational quote, it will be random quote, right? So user can actually customize on it. Like if they have some quotes that they like, they can like put all the quotes in a quotes group and then they can set it as their pop-up quote, so that the quote will only show the quote that are in the group that you created. And you also can click on this generate quote to generate random quotes, and then if you like it, you can just add it to your groups, because the list can be really long, right? So it's waste time time consuming if you like go through one by one. So we use the generate quote to like randomize it. And the point shops. The point shop, you can use the point to redeem all the things, like the chat bubble. We have chat bubble, title, file style, and sticker. You can click on the picture to see the details, like the name, their colors, and description, and some examples of the items, like in this case, it's chat bubble. And the point requirement is the point that you need in order to unlock the exchange of the items. It's not the cost of the items, but the requirement points which means that you need to at least get 200 points before you can exchange these items with 100 points. And for title, it will just have the title name and the description and the core requirement also. All of the items have core requirement. Font style, we have the font name and an example of the fonts and some similarly core requirement. And click on the picture to see the detail, like example of the font and the Kristen ITC, the description and the example of the font, how it look like. And similarly, per requirement, and you click on this button to redeem it. And the sticker, similarly, sticker name, description, per requirement. Click on the picture to see the description and the example. Similarly, same thing. Okay. Now we have the Pomodoro timer. Yeah, I show you the shortcuts. Yeah, Pomodoro timer shortcut is Shift key plus the with the task, and then we click on the shortcut key. Then you will have the pop-up window, and then click on yes to enable the Pomodoro timer. And Pomodoro, the idea of Pomodoro timer is like in default, it is a loop is 25 minutes. Like the 25 minutes is the study time. So after you click on the start, it will like count down until it reach 0, and then it will go to the break time of 5 minutes. And after the 5 minutes count down to 0, it will go to another loop of the study time, which is another 25 minutes. The duration can be customizable at setting. So you can always minimize it so it won't block your screen. And then you can stop it. If you click on this stop here, it will like second time confirmation. And then you click on second time, you close. And I'll show you another. Like if you close using this X button, you will like show the pop-up screen to confirm you really want to close the Pomodoro timer. Then click yes to close it. And then we have the profile. So you can click on the profile to see your own profile, and then you can edit it. And we have like this is the alert. This is the inactivity alert. It's like if you're leaving for a while, like you haven't interact with the application for a while, then it will like show this pop-up, and it will ask you whether you want to quit or not, and click cancel to go back. And then I think is when you want to close the app, when you want to close this application, it will show this thing based on your study hour. If you study for quite a long time already, it will like show something like this. It will show a motivational quote, and then show like take a break quote, and then you can just quit. So I think that's all for our prototype for these applications. Okay, I think that's all. Thank